Hey everybody, it's Denise with Lollipop Love. Day 6. I tell you what, said Tom Segura. I am ready to finish this box and I want them all open right now. I'm not sure I got the patience to wait 25 days. 21 more days. I want them done now. Like, this is like excruciating to me because I want to know what they are and I want to know now. Okay. I'm trying to be patient, but if tomorrow you see a video with the rest of the 21 of these open, don't get mad at me. My patience ain't like it used to be, you know. But let's see what today holds with Jenny. We're going to find out what we got today because it's day 6. And we need to know what is in this box. Now.
Good morning.
It's
Who deserves to
6:30.
be spoiled? We all deserve to be a little spoiled, don't you think?
She always has the cute. And look at her shoes.
Alright, let's
She's super. Oh, she's got the green.
And,
look at her
right
earrings.
here.
Look at her
Remember what
earrings.
this one is, and you are
What
definitely
is
going to
it?
be spoiled.
What is it?
Get this for sure. Let's open it up.
Her light
Oh
bulb.
my gosh, I love this one so much, you guys.
So super cute.
So this is, look at this little wooden rolling pin.
Oh my
Is
goodness.
this not the cutest thing you are? Now, my husband loves to bake cookies, and he spoils me all
It's
the
to bake
time.
cookies.
And this is, you make a flat cookie and roll it out, and you just roll it across there, and it puts
Quilt
these
cookies.
quilting patterns right into the top of your cookie. And it's so beautiful. Just love it. I love that they were able to do it for us and do quilting patterns. Here's a little recipe in here. Jenny's quilt block shortbread cookies.
Oh my gosh.
Anyway, let somebody spoil you and make you some cookies today. Happy day 6.
Oh my gosh. This is just great. And Jenny's quilt block shortbread cookies. And this is like a little heavy. It has some weight to it. So this is good quality right here. But this cost a lot too. So let's see what we got. Those blocks and those blocks. Did I show those blocks already? I don't know. No, I think I started there, right? Did I start there? So that's, okay, so 1, okay, 6. You got 6 different, can make 6 different quilt block shortbread cookies. And you have your recipe. So let's get to making some Christmas shortbread block quilt Jenny's cookies. I'll see you tomorrow. And I hope I don't open these things tonight, but I'm telling you, it's wearing thin. So fair warning, I'm going to try my hardest. And I'm going to try not to I'm going to have some willpower and not do it. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Please like and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. And y'all have a good night.